Hello, Math 141. We are going to be dividing 27x to the power of 5 minus 9x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the second minus 3 by 3x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So using long division, we are going to be dividing P of x by D of x. Now, what's the main important thing here to remember is P of x is missing x cubes. So I need to have a dummy variable for x cubes, and there are no x's. What do I mean by that? Let me go to the next page. So I'm going to write this as 27 x to the power of 5 minus 9 x to the power of 4 plus no or 0 x cubed plus 3x to the power of 2 plus 0 or no x minus 3. So these two that I just introduced, these are called dummy variables. So they're kind of placeholders. Okay. And so what do I want to do? I want to divide all this by we wanted to divide that by d of x, and that was 3x to the second and 3x to the second minus 3x plus 1. Okay, let me try this one more time. Didn't do so good with the room. 3x to the second minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start from here, from 27x to the power of 5. What number can I multiply 3 by to get a 27? Well, I can have a 9. And if I have x to the second, I know, well, x cubed. I know 9x cubed times 3x to the second gives me 27x to the power of 5, and that's what I want. So 9x cubed times this, that gives me 27x to the power of 5, and then 9x cubed times negative 3x is going to give me negative 27x to the power of 4, and finally 9x cubed times 1 is just 9x cubed, so plus 9x cubed. And just like regular division, I'm going to go ahead and subtract this, and I will get minus 27x to the fifth and 27x to the fifth, combining them together gives me nothing. Negative times negative is positive, so I'm going to have positive 27x to the power of 4 combined with 9x to the power of 4 gives me 18x to the power of 4. And negative times 9x cubed gives me negative 9x cubed combined with 0x cubed gives me negative 9x cubed. I'm going to bring everything else down. So I have plus 3x to the second plus 0x minus 3. Okay, now I'm going to continue my operation up here. This time I need to get a coefficient of 18. So what I'm going to have, I'm going to put a 6 up here plus a 6, and I need x to the second, because x to the second times x to the second gives me x to the power of 4. So do my multiplication, I get 18 x to the power of 4. Then I get minus 18x cubed plus 6x to the second. And if I subtract this, I'm going to get, well, this gives me nothing. That gives me 18x cubed and minus 9. So that gives me 9x cubed. And then this gives him total of negative 3x to the second. And I'm going to bring the plus 0x and 3. I'm going to bring this down. Okay. Moving on, now what do I need up there? I need a positive 3x to get 9x cubed here. Then I get minus 9x to the second and plus 3x. And if I subtract this, I will, so this is nothing. This gives me positive 9x to the second, minus 3x to the second, so 6x to the second, minus 3x, and bring the minus 3 down. And now what do I need? I'm going to go ahead and put a 2 plus 2. 2 times 3x to the second is 6x to the second. 2 times minus 3x is minus 6x. And 2 times positive 1 is plus 2. I'm going to have to subtract this. And the remainder is going to be nothing here. So I have positive 6x minus 3x gives me positive 3x. Negative times 2 is negative 2. Minus 3 gives me minus 5. And here is my remainder. Okay, so the final answer for this, let me go to the next page. So P of x divided by d of x equals to 3x to the second minus 3x plus 1, okay, times 9x cubed plus 6x to the second plus 3x plus 2 plus, not times, plus 3x minus 5. And this right here, this 3x minus 5 is my remainder. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks.